Wix SEO Basics tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you some of the basics SEOs options that we have within Wix websites. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to be on the admin dashboard after we have selected a website. Now what I am going to do next is going to be very simple. I head over the left side of the screen, and from here we're going to be on this place. Now I'm going to head over the site and mobile app and click on the first option, which is going to be website and SEO. So click on SEO and GEO. We're going to find the SEO options. Basically we're going to find the search engine optimization and also the GEO, which is going to be the generative engine optimization. So the GEO is going to be something new because they have implemented AI within their systems. So now the SEO assistant, which is going to be right there, is going to be checking up the website. You're going to find your issues right there. You're going to find the recommendation and the completed tasks. What is the SEO assistant right there? It is going to be a helper for you to set up your website within the search engine friendly zone. That means that it is going to be visible, it is going to be readable, and also it is going to be attracting. So you're going to find everything within the checklist. You're going to click on setup and it is going to show you all the necessary things that you're going to do. So you can go ahead and start your journey within the Google. You're going to set up some things right there and you're going to find it right there. Now the next thing is going to head over the website. You can go ahead and check up your SEO from here normally, which is going to be within the marketing and SEO. So we're going to click on SEO and you're going to be right there. It is going to take you to the same place here and there. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.